The latest study finds daylight rather than artificial light improves blood sugar control and nutrient use in type 2 diabetes. Natural light exposure could potentially treat and prevent type 2 diabetes, according to new research. Misalignment between our internal circadian clock and societal demands is associated with increased metabolic diseases, including diabetes. Natural daylight is the most potent environmental cue of the circadian clock. Researchers were curious if increased daytime exposure to natural light could improve blood sugar control in diabetic individuals. They also sought to determine if it would affect their nutrient use, which typically follows a 24-hour rhythm. Researchers conducted metabolic tests on a group of diabetic individuals exposed to natural and artificial light, comparing the results. Participants were exposed to natural daylight and artificial LED lighting during office hours, with a 4-week gap between the two interventions. Blood glucose levels were within the normal range for longer during the natural daylight intervention than the artificial light intervention. The respiratory exchange ratio was lower during the daylight intervention, indicating that switching from using carbohydrate to fat as an energy source was easier when exposed to natural light. Certain genes that help control circadian rhythms were more active in natural light than artificial light. The results suggest that exposure to natural daylight could benefit metabolism, potentially aiding in the treatment and prevention of metabolic conditions like diabetes and obesity.